A very beautiful Tuesday morning. Today is Panchami Tithi, Krishna Paksha of the Vaishakha Masa. And after this, after 10:30, it is going to be Shashti Tithi also. As you already learned, the word Tithi means the phases of the moon. The word Tithi means the phases of the moon. And the moon is always waxing and waning. So this is the waning fortnight. Then we have the waxing fortnight also. So in this waning fortnight, you will find that slowly the Purnima Chandra, the full moon which was fully almost like a full circle. Now today is 6th day, so it would have reduced by 6 parts. Totally, if you divide the moon into 16 parts, 6 parts it has reduced. What you see in the night today will be 10 parts. So the moon and the sun and the earth together, they form all the natural happenings on the earth. Whatever natural things you see here, the sunrise, sunset, the moonrise and the moonset, and also you see the seasons. You see the seasons also here, different seasons. All are because of the movement of the earth, moon and the sun. In addition to this, the moon is also doing another thing. It is wielding its power on the earth in such a manner that it affects the waves on the sea also. There is a tide and ebb also. The waves will rise higher and they will go down also. In addition to this, there is a continuously something falling from the moon. There is continuously something falling from the moon, which is the cause for all the herbs to become herbal value. Oshadhayaha. You say Oshadhayaha. Oshadhayaha are all continuously, they are, in one way, they are all getting some power from the moon. That is why they become herbs. And the sun is also giving us beautiful vitamin D. It's giving us light. It is giving us so many other photosynthesis. Sun is the cause for the photosynthesis in the plants also. The plants get the chlorophyll. The green color chlorophyll is made in the plant because of the photosynthesis, because of the sunlight what we get. So we see that so beautifully. We are all dependent upon Paramatma's wonderful order. We are all dependent upon Paramatma's order. And then we have the air also. And we have the water also. So every day, today is Tuesday, you see, such a beautiful day. Then we have forgotten today to chant the Sankatamochan Hanuman Ashtak. We will chant the Sankatamochan Hanuman Ashtak also, and then we will go to the meaning of the Hanuman Chalisa. Atha Sankatamochan Hanuman Ashtaka Matta Gayanda Chanda बाल समय रवि बक्षी लियो तब तीनहु लोक भयो अंधियारो ताहि सो त्रास भयो जग को यह संकट काहू सो जात न टारो देवन आनी करी बिनती तब छाड़ दियो रवि कष्ट निवारो को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो पाली की त्रास कपि सब से गिरि जात महाप्रभु पंथ निहारो चौकी महामुनि श्राप दियो तब चाहिए कौन विचार विचारो के द्विज रूप लिवाए महाप्रभु सो तुम दास के शोक निवारो को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो अंगद के संग लेन गए सिया खोज कपीस या बैन उचारो जीवित न बची हो हम सो जो बिना सुधि लाए यहाँ पगुधारो हेरी थके तट सिंधु सब तब लाए सिया सुधि प्राण उबारो को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो। रावण त्रास दगी सिय को तब राक्षसी शोकाई शोक निवारो। ताहि समय हनुमान महाप्रभु जाए महाराज नीचर मारो। चाहत सिया शोक सो आगिसु जय प्रभु मुद्रिका शोक निवारो। को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट नाम तिहारो। बान लग्यो उर लक्ष्मण के तब प्राण त्यजो सुत रावण मारो। ले गृह वैद्य सुखे न समेत तब गिरि द्रोण सुवीर उपारो। आनी सजीवन हाथ दई तब लक्ष्मण के तुम प्राण उबारो। को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो। रावण युद्ध अचानकियो तब नाग के पास सब सिर डारो। श्री रघुनाथ समेत सब दल मोह भयो यह संकट भारो। आनी खगेश तब हनुमान जो बंधन काटी सुथास निवारो। को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो। बंधु समेत जब आही रावण है रघुनाथ पताल सिधारो। ही पूजी बलि विधि सो बलि देव सब मिली मंत्र विचारो। जाय सहाय भयो तब आही रावण सैन्य समेत संहारो। को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो। काज किए बड़ देवन के तुम वीर महाप्रभु देखी विचारो। कौन सो संकट मोर गरीब को जो तुम सो नहीं जात है टारो। देगी हरो हनुमान महाप्रभु जो कछु संकट होए हमारो। वेगी हरो हनुमान महाप्रभु जो कछु संकट होए हमारो। वेगी हरो हनुमान महाप्रभु जो कछु संकट होए हमारो। को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो। लाल देह लाली लसै हर लाल लंगूर। वज्र देह दानव दलन जय 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 कपिशूर। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। Another very beautiful composition by Tulsidas ji, Sankat Mochan Hanuman Ashtak. We will come to the meaning of the Sankat Mochan after we complete the meaning of Hanuman Chalisa. So now yesterday we saw Hanuman ji, wonderful Navanidhi ke data, Asavar Deen Janaki Mata. Ashta Siddhi Navanidhi ke data, Asavar Deen Janaki Mata. So Janaki Mata Sita Devi, when Hanuman went to the Ashoka Vatika and gave the information of Sri Ram by giving the ring, so immediately she was very happy and she blessed Hanuman and said, you will be, not only you will have the siddhis yourself, Ashta Siddhi Navanidhi ke data, you will be a data, you yourself will be giving it to others. Ashta Siddhi Navanidhi ke data, Asavar Deen Janaki Mata, Asavar Ihavar, Sita Mata ji ne Hanuman ko diya. Asvar Deen Janaki Mata. Now what happened once you have got all these varas, nothing is impossible for Hanuman, no? Absolutely nothing is impossible. Asadhya Sadhaka Swamin. All of you say, Asadhya Sadhaka Swamin. Asadhyam Tava Kim Vada Ramaduta Mahabaho Mat Matkaryam Sadhaya Prabho. So Hanuman is Asadhya Sadhaka Swami. Hanuman is Asadhya Sadhaka Swami. What is impossible? Asadhya means impossible. Sadhaka is making it possible. Asadhya Sadhaka Swami. Swamin is the address. Asadhyam Tavakim Prabhu. What is impossible for you? Ramaduta Mahabaho Matkaryam Sadhaya Prabhu. You also make my work also successful. So Asavara Dena Janaki Mata. Now what happened to Hanuman? He got Rama Rasayan. Not Chavanprash Rasayan. Rama Rasayan Tumhare Pasa. Rasayan is a very, very systematic preparation. Rasayan in the Ayurvedic Shastra is a preparation. It is administered in very good doses, like you take it 1 spoon every day in the morning and evening. Then it becomes like a tonic. Rasayan is like a tonic. You will find it in Evam Nirantarabhyastara Brahmaiva Sviti Vasana Haratya Vidya Vikshepan Roganiva Rasayanam. In the Atma Bodha, Acharya Shankara says, Evam Nirantarabhyasta Brahmaiva Sviti Vasana Harati Avidya Vikshepan Rogan Iva Rasayanam. Just like diseases are removed by Rasayan, same way, continuously meditating upon the Aham Brahmasmi will make you equal to that. You will give it all the power of that Brahma Chintanam. So now, who is having the Rama Rasayan? He is this monopolized, he's got the monopoly now. Nobody can get Rasayan anywhere else. If at all you want Rasayan, Ram Rasayan, you have to go to Hanuman only. Rama Rasayan Tumhare Pasa. Sada Raho Raghupati Ke Dasa. Because you are always Raghupati Ka Das. Because you are the Das of Raghupati and nobody else can near you at all, near him, near Ram, unless they propitiate you. Therefore, we all propitiate Hanumanji so that we also get the entry into the abode of Sri Ram. Hari Om Tat Sat.